Diving into the highlights of what an classic hockey semi-final match played between France and Pakistan in the Hockey Nations Cup 2025.
We are indeed underway. 4 periods of 15 minutes, and if required a shootout, the must was Amfa into the circle. Shahid. And this is Shahid. Penalty corner. 2024. First battery, Sufyan. Zampa Ali back defending well. Corentin Sellier, he's gone straight to the adamant. That's where they in the second. They go to San Martin. Which hit a post.
Both the teams got some half chances in the first quarter, but the goalkeepers were there to fulfill their duty.
And the break is on. Rana is there. What support has he got? Ahmed Nadeem is trying to get there, but Rana on his own! Rana can do. Wonderful talent, skips inside.
At the end of first quarter, it was all even. Pakistan 0-0 France.
Ben Grant's whistle gets us underway for this again. Looks for the little angle which he found superbly. Graniki in front. Oh, one foot was Joao. It's a very through the second quarter. Fired in by Belanger. To Verrier. Verrier, if he looks inside, he's got Amonjo in the circle. Still Verrier. Amonjo!
France continued to create chances. The defense of Pak could not absorb the pressure exerted by French, and so on back-to-back critical entries, the France finally took the lead into the game. The score was now France 1-0 Pakistan.
Deflected and upstamped. Well, that's a lovely little deflection from Amonjo from club. Oh, somehow, with the stick side blocker, he's fizzed it into
a dominant performance by the French in the first half, and the score at the end of second quarter was France 1-0 Pakistan.
Pakistan going right to left, looks for the give and go, Verrier into the circle, pulls it back. Can't get the shot away at the moment, but Verrier, well, they only had 3 men in there. Could be used, but Charlet for the most part. Victor Charlet it is!
France continued the third part with the same approach, and got a penalty corner. The PC was struck just too good by Victor Charlet as France doubled their lead and were now leading by 2-0.
Rana available, here is Rana. Rana faced by Belanger, Rana into the circle, what a goal! Wonderfully swept home. Rana deserves the credit for the assist, but Pakistan have nothing. Are back in this semi-final. Rashad does just enough, and won by France. Pakistan. Juan with the inject, Charlet. Oh, finds the corner. Manan. Penalty corner. 10 to go in this quarter. Have a penalty corner, and Sufyan finds the top corner. Perfect. Second chance. Down to the baseline. Rana to Shannon. And deflected home. Rana has got the touch for his 4th goal of the tournament.
What a comeback. The comebacks to be remembered by the green shirts, as they scored 3 consecutive in phase of 5 to 7 minutes, and so a dominant quarter for them as they lead 3-2 while moving into the 4th quarter.
Right, can they control their emotions? Hartelmeier into the circle. Hartelmeier! Oh, is this their night? Well, there's an accident. As far as Montecom. 2 seconds remaining. Then Rana deflects home the 3rd. Ben Grant gets us underway for the final 15 minutes. Hugh Abdul Rahman slaps it in. Rana at the far post. Grab an equaliser to take us to a shootout. It's fired in by Montego.
It has hit the defender's foot, therefore you can restart with a penalty corner, and they'll keep the reference.
Charlie! Oh yes, everything.
France keep their
Absolutely.
composure and thus got a penalty corner with just 3 minutes left on the clock. Their main man Victor
And the
Charlette
most
was there to deliver, and he pulls a wonderful to take the scoreline to 3-all.
Looking to take on Charlie. Oh my word. Oh, much as this. Sufyan Khan.
At full time the score was Pakistan 3-3 France as we move into the shootouts.
Closes in on Munib. Nafraz scored in normal time, scores. Behind the goal. Yeah, I think that's got a pad. Love to have in a shootout. Tender in years, wonderful tactician, great skill, Hanan. Oh, be a shootout. Nerves of steel and glory. Emanjo, who opened the scoring. Oh, and he's put in Pakistan are in the final after a shootout victory. Emotion from Pakistan. This will resonate around the country.
A historic day for Pakistan hockey as they will get to play for the FI Hockey Nations Cup final for the first time, and they are just one step away from the FI Pro League now. What a victory for Pakistan. Subscribe to the channel to get the highlights and update from the Hockey Nations Cup 2025.
Nerves of steel and glory. Emanjo, who opened the scoring. Oh, and he's put in Pakistan are in the final after a shootout victory. Emotion from Pakistan. This will resonate around the country.
A historic day for Pakistan hockey as they will get to play for the FI Hockey Nations Cup final for the first time, and they are just one step away from the FI Pro League now. What a victory for Pakistan. Subscribe to the channel to get the highlights and update from the Hockey Nations Cup 2025.